Tab9 Review. Is this AI coding assistant worth it in 2025? So Tabnine is one of the earliest AI coding assistants in 2025, and is still competing strongly with GitHub, Copilot, Codium, and other developer tools. It offers a smart code, completions, privacy-focused options, and enterprise-level deployment flexibility. But is it the right AI coding tool for you? So it offers a strong IDE integration. It works smoothly inside VS Code, JetBrains IDEs, and other Visual Studios. It also has a privacy and local models, which allows local execution of AI models. It is also enterprise ready with features like air gap deployment and SSOs. And it has a broad language support, which supports up to 80 plus programming languages and natively up to 600 plus. And it has more than autocomplete, which is beyond code completions. The problem is though, it's not as always as advanced as Copilot, and the free plan is limited, and it even has a steep learning curve for teams. So in conclusion, Tabnine in 2025 is absolutely worth it if you value data privacy, team control, and secure enterprise deployments. And for solo developers, its Pro plan offers a lightweight, efficient, and privacy-conscious alternative to GitHub Copilot. However, if you want the most cutting-edge AI completions with fewer restrictions, Copilot or ChatGPT might feel more powerful.